Imagine waking up tomorrow and feeling calm, focused, and ready, without needing your phone, coffee, or chaos to get there. What if just 5 minutes a day could shift your entire mindset? Welcome back to Psyche Unveiled. Whether your mind races constantly or you feel stuck in stress, this video will help you discover simple mindfulness techniques anyone can use. No robes, no incense, no prior experience needed. Stick around till the end for a short guided practice you can use daily. Let's begin by understanding what mindfulness is. Mindfulness is simply the practice of being fully present in the moment. It means paying attention to what you're doing and what you're feeling without judging it. Whether it's brushing your teeth, walking to your car, or eating lunch, mindfulness allows you to notice what's happening right now. Sounds easy? It's not, at least not at first. Our brains are wired for distraction. We're constantly pulled into the past or worrying about the future. But mindfulness helps us interrupt that cycle. Mindfulness isn't about emptying your mind, it's about observing it. Let's take a step back and look at why mindfulness has become such a popular tool for stress relief, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. It's not just a trend. There's a strong psychological foundation behind it, and science backs it up. At its core, mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. But why does that matter? Because so much of our stress, anxiety, and even sadness comes from either ruminating about the past or worrying about the future. The mind loves to time travel, and most of that travel is filled with negative thinking patterns. Mindfulness interrupts that pattern. When we focus on the here and now, we activate different regions of the brain, specifically areas involved in emotional regulation, decision-making, and compassion. Studies using brain scans show that regular mindfulness meditation can actually shrink the amygdala, the part of the brain that triggers our stress response, and strengthen the prefrontal cortex, which helps us manage impulses and make wise choices. In plain English, mindfulness gives us more control over how we react to life. Ever notice how one small annoyance, like someone cutting you off in traffic, can spiral into a whole bad day? That's because without mindfulness, we tend to react automatically. But when you practice mindfulness, you start to respond instead of react. You create space between what's happening and how you choose to deal with it. This space is where your power lies. It's where you can decide, I don't have to yell, or I don't have to overthink this, or maybe I just need to take a breath. That's why even a 5-minute meditation practice can be so powerful. It rewires your brain over time. It teaches your body how to calm down, and it boosts emotional intelligence by helping you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. Not to judge them, but to understand them. You don't have to sit cross-legged for hours. You don't need a guru. You just need curiosity, patience, and the willingness to show up, even if your mind wanders, because it will, and that's okay. Every time you bring it back, you're building mental strength. That's the quiet power of mindfulness. It doesn't shout. It doesn't promise instant transformation, but slowly, steadily, it helps you build a more peaceful, balanced, and present version of yourself. If you've ever tried meditating and thought, I'm terrible at this, you're in good company. Most beginners feel that way. Here's the truth. Meditation isn't about doing it right. It's about doing it consistently. In the beginning, your mind will wander. That's not failure, that's practice. Every time you gently bring your attention back to the present, you're strengthening your mental muscles. Just like going to the gym, results take time. You don't expect six-pack abs after one sit-up. So don't expect enlightenment after a 3-minute meditation. Start where you are. 1 minute, eyes closed. Focus on your breath. When you drift, come back. That's it. The goal isn't to stop your thoughts, it's to notice them and return to the now. Let's get practical. Here's how to start a mindfulness meditation practice today. Step 1. Find a quiet spot. You don't need a fancy cushion or a dedicated meditation room. Sit comfortably in a chair, on your bed, or even on the floor. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Step 2. Set a timer. Start small. Even 2 to 5 minutes is enough to build momentum. Use a timer so you're not constantly checking your phone. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the air moving in and out. You don't need to breathe in a special way, just observe. Step 4. Expect your mind to wander. Your thoughts will drift. That's normal. When you notice it happening, simply return your focus to the breath. Step 5. End with gratitude or intention. When the timer ends, take one deep breath and reflect. You might think of one thing you're grateful for or something you want to focus on today. Meditation is a skill, not a talent. You get better by doing it. You might be asking yourself, what if you're too busy? You might even tell yourself, I don't have time to meditate. Sound familiar? That's the #1 reason people skip mindfulness. Ironically, it's also why we need it the most. If you feel like there's no space in your day, that's the red flag. Meditation doesn't take time, it gives time. You'll focus better, waste less mental energy, and respond more calmly. Here are a few quick ways to practice mindfulness daily. Mindful shower. Notice the scent of the soap, the warmth of the water. Mindful walking. Pay attention to your steps. Feel the ground under your feet. Mindful eating. Taste each bite. Eat without your phone. Mindful pauses. Set reminders to breathe deeply every hour. These moments can change your day without needing extra time. It is important that mindfulness can fit into your day, not the other way around. Now that we've explored the basic building blocks of mindfulness, let's put it all together. If you've watched this far, you already understand that mindfulness isn't about sitting in silence for hours or trying to eliminate all thoughts. It's about creating a different relationship with your thoughts and emotions. Imagine your mind like a snow globe. When you're stressed or overwhelmed, it's been shaken, your thoughts swirling everywhere. But with mindfulness, especially using basic meditation techniques, you learn to set the snow globe down. The snow settles. You begin to see clearly. Here's a simple daily mindfulness routine you can try. Step 1. Morning awareness, 5 minutes. When you wake up, before you touch your phone or speak to someone, take a few deep breaths. Try mindful breathing. Place one hand on your chest, the other on your belly. Just notice the inhale and exhale. This sets the tone for your nervous system and begins your day with presence. Step 2. Mini meditation breaks, 2 to 3 minutes. Pick 2 moments during your day, maybe before lunch and late afternoon. Pause whatever you're doing. Close your eyes, take 5 deep breaths, and do a quick body scan. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? No judgment, just awareness. Step 3. Mindful movement, 10 to 15 minutes. Take a walk outside without your phone. No podcasts, no music. Just walk slowly and notice your surroundings, what you see, hear, smell. This is walking meditation in real life. It helps regulate emotions and reduces mental clutter. Step 4. Digital wind down, 10 to 20 minutes before bed. Set a time to stop using screens. Do a light breathing meditation or try journaling, writing down 3 things you felt grateful for or noticed that day. This boosts emotional intelligence and self-awareness while helping you sleep better. The beauty of mindfulness is that it grows with practice. You don't need to be perfect. You'll forget. You'll get distracted. But every time you come back, that moment of awareness is a win. Mindfulness for beginners isn't about mastering something. It's about remembering to come back to the present moment, again and again. Over time, you'll find that your stress response softens, your ability to regulate emotions improves, and your relationships benefit too. Because when you're more aware of what's happening inside you, you're more understanding of what's happening in others. So start small, keep it simple, be kind to yourself. Because being present is one of the greatest gifts you can give, to yourself and to everyone around you. Let's end with a brief guided practice. This is perfect for beginners. Sit comfortably, let your hands rest naturally. Close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Now bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air as it enters and as it leaves. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently return to the breath. Inhale, exhale, Maybe you can pause the video for 30 seconds or so, set up a timer and stay present with your breath and come back when you are ready. Once you are back, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, open your eyes. That's it. You've just meditated. If this video helped you, consider sharing it with a friend who's feeling overwhelmed. Mindfulness is simple, but it's not always easy. Keep showing up, even for 1 minute a day. Keep in mind that your breath is always with you. So is the present moment, and now you know how to return to it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more deep psychology content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be well, be kind, and be in the present. We'll see you in the next video.